How's it going, everyone? Today we have a really special episode. I am here at Hampton Downs. We are at the Legends of Speed event and I've driven the 147 GTA down here. Hampton Downs is about 60 kilometers south of Auckland. It's basically our local circuit. There's a lot of grassroots motorsports, a lot of people bringing their cars here to race today. So I'm just going to show you around and see what we can find. Check it out, guys. Even just walking around the car park, we've got a nice Lotus Elise and a Maserati, and right over here a very, very nice looking 500 SL or SL 500. This one's even for sale. Check it out. It's really cool to see some of these Italian cars competing in the Trofeo series. I've just recently joined the Alfa club as well, and there's quite a few guys from the Alfa club here too. There's a fantastic looking blue GT 3.2. Got the same engine as the 147 GTA. And then there's this really, really cool 147 GTA over here. Pretty much the whole reason I'm here, just to check this car out. So this is actually pretty much the same car as my 147 GTA. Obviously it's been done up a little bit for racing. It's got bigger wheels, it's got the big brakes, which I'm looking for at the moment. The engine's had a little bit of work on it, but not too much actually.
There's probably some other drinks in there if you want to grab one for yourself. No, I'm all good, thanks.
I'm good, thanks.
Okay, folks, we've got Kent Bajan.
Oh, is it?
When we were 15. Oh, for as long as you don't have
race truck running the gearbox in the on the bridge.
Right, so this is the engine of the 147 GTA. You can see it's a little bit different to my one. He's replaced all the pipes, obviously, because the original ones are pretty bad. And then there's no rocker cover on top here, so you can see the coils and the spark plugs. It's got a full custom exhaust, so all the way from the cylinders back to the exhaust, this is all custom. And then we've got a custom intake as well, which is all carbon. The battery's been relocated, so it's been relocated to inside the car.
That's a long story.
What's really interesting though is the ECU is still in the same position. Maybe I might talk to him a little bit about that, maybe try and get that relocated. But yeah, it's pretty simple mods, but seems to work pretty well. I think it's probably pushing out around about 300 horsepower, which is pretty good for an old 3.2 litre V6. Ah, yep.
It's got a tie tag at all.
It's alright, it still looks pretty cool.
A little 145.
You gotta have a bit of tape.
I'll send the brakes off and go. He's saying fast. Yes, yeah, it's like. You can't brake him, put the brake any harder than that. Dude, that was 120. I'm really loving the 190Es doing the racing as well. It's pretty awesome. We've got a racing Volvo and a 240Z. So there's still some JDM goodness here as well. Just mixing it up a little bit. And there's a whole bunch of BMW race cars here as well. So I think they've got a few different categories. I've seen the 2 litre class racing, and also the BMW Open as well. And I think that's a little bit more M3s and the like. Alright everyone, thank you so much for joining me and the Alfa Romeo 147, as well as all these awesome race cars going around the track for the coverage of the Legends of Speed event at Hampton Downs today. Hopefully you enjoyed some of the real footage that I got with my big camera of all the race cars going around the track. There's actually a lot of grassroots racing here in New Zealand. It's really accessible, it's really close to the main cities, it's not expensive. So I'm thinking of coming to more and more of these events and covering more and more of these events. So just let me know if this is something that you really want to see, and I will definitely go to more of these events. See you next time.